Hello, this is Eliza. Welcome to Always Eliza again. It's been a while na nakapag-video ulit ako. Okay. One thing na sasabihin ko is like I was supposed to go to work today, but they made some changes on the schedule. So here I am. So happy I'm off today. As you all know, I'm an 18. I'm also one of the admin ng West Coast 18. And just recently, um, Wansi Entertainment and SB19 just announced their homecoming Simula at Wakas concert that's gonna be in the Philippines. Um, I've heard na as soon as they drop that announcement, oh my God, a lot of 18 overseas who live overseas already booked their hotels near the SMDC, I think. Um, One thing that worries me is that yung ticket selling, because I want to make sure na before I put in my plane ticket that I'm gonna secure the actual concert tickets. So I don't know when will SB19 announce the ticket selling, but I know it's gonna be really challenging because parami na kaming mga 18, hindi lang around the world. So ang dami naming kalaban, like ako, I live here in the US in San Diego, and I know na it's gonna be really challenging for us to buy ticket online. um I'm just wish that I'm gonna be able to secure a ticket first before, kasi I want to make sure that I really have that ticket before na maano ko. Actually nagano ako ng leave. I'm just waiting for it to be approved, but I just want to make sure that, because I'm like thousand miles away from home, and I want to make sure na, like I said, masecure ko yung ticket na yon. Oh my God, very anxious right now. And it's not only me that's feeling that way, this way. A lot of 18 who lives overseas also feel the same way, because actually if I did get a ticket sa homecoming, that would be my very first concert in the Philippines watching SB19, because yung I watched SB19 here in the US when they had their North America tour. I was able to watch in Anaheim, in the Grove, and also Pechanga, and also I was able to see them and watch them in Wish Bus in Santa Monica. So their performance there is really very good. And also I would expect, I mean, I'm already sure that since it's gonna be a homecoming, it's gonna be like in the Philippines, so it's gonna be really, really good, like spectacular, the stage and everything, and that's why I want to go. One thing too is that I'm gonna be able to meet the other 18s around the world. We were able to like collab with different groups or different 18 around the world. So I'm happy and looking forward to see them, and also the momshies. Um, One thing that's really good about this fandom is that I was able to meet a lot of new friends. I was able to like do like collaboration with other groups, and it made me think now, this is not just a fandom. this is just like parang ano talaga yung camaraderie, sisterhood, brotherhood, and everything, because I've learned to do like some charity works. I was able to like I was able to do some stuff that I cannot even imagine that I would do. And because of this, ang dami nilang nagawa talaga. Inspiration talaga sila sa akin. Kaya, at my age, I'm 51, I would never thought that I would go gaga sa boy band. But, well, hey, naging talagang fan na ako dito sa SB19 and really supporting them all the way. Just wish na we're gonna be able to help them here more dito sa US, and more exposure, because siyempre ang goal naman natin lahat is for Filipino music and artists to be known around the world. It's time for us na makilala. Especially, syempre, yung SB19, I'm very proud of them. Talagang hindi ka mapapahiya. So, yun lang yung worry ko ngayon. That's why I did this video. I'm just hoping that I can secure a ticket. And I know it's gonna be fun. I know that. I just wanna make sure na, oh my God, talagang keeping my fingers crossed na sana makakuha ko ng ticket. That's about it. I'm gonna give you more updates if nagkaroon ng progress yan, okay? I'll see you later. Bye!